English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. 10 words natives speak daily. Do you want to grab coffee after work? Grab means have. Do you want to have coffee after work?
Do you want to grab dinner sometime?
You want to grab breakfast?
You want to grab a coffee?
You bet. You bet means definitely or absolutely.
Sure, you bet, you bet.
You bet.
Keep me posted. Posted means updated.
Keep me posted.
Keep me posted. Keep me posted.
I'd better get going. Get going means leave.
I better get going.
Well, I better get going.
I better get going.
When do you want to head out? Head out means leave.
Heading out?
So you're heading out?
I'm short on time. I'm short on cash.
I'm a little short on cash.
It's a long story and I'm short on time.
I'm here if you need me. Means casual way to offer help or support.
I'm here if you need me.
I'm here if you need me, okay?
I'm all ears. Casual way to let someone know you're listening closely or paying full attention.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
Can we take a rain check? Casual way to decline an invitation, but express interest in doing it later.
Thank you. Can we take a rain check?
We take a rain check?
All right.
Let's play it by ear. Play it by ear means decide as you go along.
You're right. Let's play it by ear.
Let's play that one by ear, okay?
Let's play this one by ear.
Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.